The level of violence perpetrated against African foreign nationals in this country over the past few months has a face. We know who the instigators and the perpetrators of this violent act are. Why have the perpetrators of this violence not been arrested and prosecuted? What is even worse, the two of them came to meet with you. You should have locked them up that day when they came to meet you.
We advance, we strengthen, we empower our knowledge and information. Greetings to everyone. You are watching at Ramasen. On this video, we are going to talk about Sello Julius Malema questions to the President of South Africa in Parliament, Cyril Ramaphosa. Fellow South Africans, we are seeing a huge outcry this today after EFF leader Julius Malema have posed questions to the president of South Africa, and among those questions was a question about when is the president of the country going to arrest the criminals, the perpetrators, the instigators, and the haters that have promoted the attack on African foreigners in South Africa in the past time. You will remember that General Kumalo, among others, when he was supposed to have been arrested, the arrest warrant was stopped, citing the reason that the South African intelligence are going to be involved in uh, work on the 30th of June to go and guard and see that any criminality that will take place around that period will be reported and be dealt with. Now we have seen the questions surrounding the events of that period and the several controversial situations, including the loss of life by Nhlambulo Sambo, being raised by Julius Malema to say, when are you going to arrest the perpetrators? And among others, Julius Malema said, you were with two of them in your meeting. And now Ramaphosa responded by saying, all the events are being processed. He's saying the steps are going to be taken. The police are looking through any necessary information that they have in regard to that. And you also say that they they are doing all in their best. Even others are already getting arrested. Now we want to know, what do you think about the steps that the president have reported to be taken in regard to the perpetrators of the people that claim themselves to be patriots, but only to find in so many different ways they are destroying people's businesses and they are extortionists and they acting criminally, but they claim to be patriots, and in most cases even their leaders, just like Jacinta, don't want to take any responsibility. Anything good that is happening is much and much. Anything that bad that is happening is not much and much. And then we could see now, you remember Ngizom Kunu saying something big is coming. And then he also said, I have experience of prison. Jacinta and Pakelam Tower Tagati, they don't know how is present. Are we going to see, just like now, the people that were part of the July 2021 arrest are only getting dealt with now? What do you think is going to have to happen to the people that are the perpetrators now? Do you think they gonna see being dealt with on the later stages like the people that were involved in July 2021? But this year, about 69 people are facing arrest and attending court cases in relation to what happened in 2021. What do you think about what the president has said about processing and going to deal with the perpetrators of violence during the protest against African foreigners. And remember, we know and understand people will say illegal foreigners to try to make sense, when in fact it's every single African, whether legal or not. So I am not going to be cornered by somebody that will come up and say, yeah, they are talking in defense of illegal foreigners. No, the people that are acting are in camera, in open footages, are taking even legally recognized Africans. So coming and justifying saying they are defending illegal foreigners is not good enough for me. But anyway, any violent action, any inhuman steps that is against the law must see the step taken against such people. Let's hear what you say on the comment section. As I'm more than willing to have any discussion or any points about this matter in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video. Yeah, no.